What's up YouTube? Today we got something new and it's actually a tablet. I got something new and I really want to show you. After months and months of screaming in my ear from Rick, just buy a tablet, put it on your bike. Well, he got me convinced. This is the Hugerock Tablet. It's the X70 and today we're gonna install it on the bike. I go on a holiday in 5 days, so that will be a perfect test. Just got through all the settings, had to do something with my Gmail account. Yeah, what I'm planning to do is install the DMD software, the drive mode dashboard, because that works perfectly on a tablet. It came with a very nice t-shirt. And let's go to the bike and install this. Already got half the bike apart. It's just ridiculous how the KTM works to connect something to your accessory plugs. First I'm gonna try if it works. I don't like to mount these directly to the battery, so I'm gonna use the accessory plugs. But before I connect all this, I just want to be sure it will charge. Alright, plug in the cables. Moment of truth, will it charge? DC charging, please note. Let me try to show it to you. Alright guys, if I turn on the bike, whoop, here you see it. Nice. So why the tablet? Yeah, Rick just finished the trophy last week. He told me, Jeff, you really need a tablet. So I got myself a tablet. Rick got the same tablet as well. Since I am going on holiday in just 5 days, yeah, I need to get this thing on. It got a nice new bracket and it will be mounted on here. You cannot see anything yet because KTM. You need to get the headlight off, split this. It's just silly, I don't understand it. But now what we are going to do is connect this cable. Got these two plugs, we need to get rid of them and connect them to the accessory plugs. And yes, it does have a magnetic charger on the side, but this is more like a charger for indoors. And this charger you get in the side here and then you will lock it. I'm not sure yet how it will look on the bike. It does not have a charger on the back sadly, but it shouldn't be a problem. So what we need to do is replace these with the little ones, and these are cables for the use of a jack. I don't know, but I'm not gonna use that. Serial port cable. Squeeze them together. Right, quick test. Nice. Actually, you know what? We don't need all this extra long cable. So what we're gonna do is click. Alright guys, I did a little bit of heat shrink magic. This is how it turned out. Nice and short. Well, something to be proud of. This is how it sits on the bike. Yeah, now we can reassemble the headlight again. So a bit fast forward in putting all the front together. So now we're going to install the tablet. So the package came with the motorcycle mount, and it's mounted in rubbers. Tackles the vibrations. This will probably mount it like this. And this will be on the back of the tablet, which slides in like this. Then you can lock it. You can move the tablet up and down or take it off the bike. So the first thing what we need to do is mount this on the bracket and mount this on the back side of the tablet. Comes with all kind of tools, but not the correct tools for these mini screws. Alright, that's about it. I have ordered a couple of things. This is the NiceCNC bracket which can move. Yeah, that would be a cleaner solution. But since I am going on holiday in 5 days, I got this one as well. Daar moeten we wel wat voor verzinnen. Ja, moet hier. Hier, niet hier helemaal naar voren. The tablet will fit, but it will come a bit too much forward. So what I need to do is make a few adjustments to the mounting bracket. Get rid of the bump and make it available on the amps mount. That's what we're gonna do tomorrow. Alright then, morning guys, welcome to a new day, and today what we are going to do is drill some holes in the mounting bracket to fit it on the bike. I actually tried different setups yesterday outside of the camera because it took me almost an hour to see what's best. This system slides over this piece like this. So what I am going to do is mount the amps mount directly on this bracket. This is aluminium, and so this can stay on the bike. Let me show you how this looks on the bike. So what we are going to do is mount these directly to the bottom of the aluminium bracket I just showed you. I really like to have the tablet more to the front. And to show you what I mean is like this. So I can move it. I think this will be the best solution. And I did not cover this topic yet, but what is included in the package? This is the external antenna. Well, it's a BD2 and GPS antenna. It gives you more range in more remote areas. Show the tablet itself with the bracket. This RAM mount setup thingy, but the problem with this is it only fits their own RAM mount setup. So when I tied this up, it does not move. I thought the balls would be exactly the same size, but they're actually not. See, I tied this up to the max and it still can move. Yeah, that's something you need to know before buying all kind of stuff. Yeah, end up like this. There's a solution to wrap up some tape or something else. This came with the package, so you can mount it on your handlebars, the magnetic charger. And the fun stuff is they advertise with "this is the brightest tablet ever." Yeah, I think that is maybe possible. Let me show you how bright it is. Well, you can't see the screen anymore. Look at my hand, how much light it reflects. There we have the ultra bright modus. Okay, do you really want to activate the ultra bright modus? Because it will consume more battery. Alright. How much it reflects? It's just super bright. I cannot show you, but it's incredible. Alright guys, allow me to explain what I just made. Originally you get these attached to each other and you can use this and mount it on the bike. I actually have a picture of that from yesterday. That's how it works straight out of the box. Since I don't like the way it's set, I will put a link of everything in the description, so if you have a KTM 890 adventure yourself, you can copy my ID. Drilled a couple of holes and actually only used 2 of them. I put in another bolt in here, then I put this one on the bolt on the back. So this piece slides right over. And do also note, I have a windscreen adjuster. Let's give you a couple of angles to mount the tablet for the cinematic effects. Alright guys, and now finally that ASMR peeling. And then we have this little antenna, which I'm probably not gonna use for now, because I'm not going to very remote areas. This is the place for it. I think if you are on a boat, which these tablets are used for as well, this would be perfect. And then the difference in what I'm used to, the Garmin Sumo 340 compared to the Hugerock tablet, quite a difference. Right, now the test in direct sunlight. It's quite bright currently. This is the screen on the lowest brightness. Put it in the highest.
Oh!
Hoi!
Oké. Kan je gewoon goed zien.
Ja. We gaan nou even...
Gewoon vanaf hier zie ik het ook nog, zeg maar.
Ja. Ik was echt net in het directe zonlicht tussen aan doen.
Mega dik. Ik vind hem wel knap.
Ja.
Ziet er goed stevig uit ook. En dit matcht ook wel echt perfect met je stickers.
Ja. Ja, dat vond ik ook wel, ja.
Ja, je kan het gewoon zien. Met die Samsung van mij, als ik er zo op kijk, dan zie ik het niet goed.
Nee? Alright guys. The ultimate test. Let's try it to my friends. So, good to know. That does not work. Let's try to my friend. JP. Motoren. In winkel. Alright, navigate. Use TMD2. Okay, start. So it does work with the glass, but not very. guys, am I happy with the tablet? Absolutely yes, it's spot on, it works perfectly. When standing on the bike I can see clearly it's just such an improvement compared to my old Garmin Sumo system. It's just incredible. I need to get used to the DMD firmware. And my final thoughts of this system, it works perfectly when charging through this cable. Important to know, it does not stick out on the sides of my windscreen. Very clean solution. The mounting system is slightly different compared to the RAM mounting system. It works straight out of the box, but I made a few adjustments to make it look perfect on my bike. Yeah, I would highly recommend this system based on my experience so far.